Welcome to Data Agent 2.7 overview. We will discuss Data Agent 2.7 new features, deployment details, compatibility with other products, and CMFT location. Data Agent 2.7 new features consist of ability to silently install and configure Data Agent on new source systems in support of deployment through ARIA. Once we release, Data Agent 2.7 will be deployed to new ESR customer sites using ARIA. Ability to test if Data Agent configuration matches the values onboarded on KP database. Extraction of transactional key values in support of Medication Knowledge Portal to help perform delta extractions instead of full extractions if Data Agent is uninstalled and reinstalled during regular maintenance. Extraction of additional Med-ES data in support of ESR 115 and Med Availability 4.1. Apart from these features, we will also address TFS bug 564104 related to installer being unable to validate service account credentials. We will also update Data Agent compatibility metrics and install guide. Now, Farooq will do a quick demo of silent installation and configuration of Data Agent configuration feature to check KP onboarding configuration.
We'll be switching off to the VM in order to demonstrate this functionality. As we can see, Data Agent is not installed and there is no analytic agent folder. What we have here is a batch file prepared which has the command lines to execute the silent installation along with silent configuration of the agent. We will use a command prompt to execute this batch file. This will install and configure the agent on this machine. As you can see, it's installed agent. And if we open the configuration tool, we should be able to see the target was already configured. Next, we will move to the second portion of the validation of the configuration properties with KP database. We will switch the URLs to point to our stage environment in order to perform this. As you can see, since this site is onboarded, it shows that the server connection is successful. It validates the database connection along with the connection to the KP database and checks that the site keys and server name along with console name is correct. If we go and modify the site key to the one that is not onboarded, and clicking the test again, we can see error message showing that the console is not onboarded or the information does not match with Knowledge Portal. Similarly, if there is an issue with connecting to the web service, it will notify regarding that as well. So if we remove this portion of the web service URL, and we can see different error message telling us that the request failed with HTTP status, that it was not able to reach the web service. I'll be switching it back to Asma, and this is all for the features.
Once released, Data Agent will be ready for manual installs. Initially, Data Agent will be compatible with all ESR versions. In future, we will be releasing Data Agent compatibility with other source products, including Supply, C2Safe, Armagistics, and MedLegacy. A reminder to always check compatibility matrix before installing Data Agent on clients. These are the folder location of Data Agent software, compatibility matrix, and install guides on CMFT. For questions, please feel free to contact Data Agent team at the distribution list on the screen. Thanks for joining.